So by the end of this video, you should be equipped with some handy tips and tricks to help you get more water into your day. So I realised that recently I haven't been drinking enough water, and it gets to the point where my skin starts to get dry, my hair gets dry, my lips start to crack. I also get this kind of discomfort, a kind of pain in my pelvic area. I'm like, okay, something's not right here. So I'm taking myself on a 7-day challenge, water challenge, to get myself back in the habit of drinking water regularly throughout the day. And especially because like during the winter months, I tend not to feel as thirsty as I do in summer. I don't know whether it's just me, but if it's you, if you find this to be true for you as well, drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll actually put the scientific explanation here in the video for you. So I'm off to stock up on water so that I have no excuse of there not being any at home. So let's go. So my bill altogether came up to £15.44. I bought 6 cases of water. The challenge is this: 2 litres of water a day for the next 7 days, and seeing what effect that has on my body. I know that getting in enough water throughout the day is not easy for everyone, especially if you've been used to drinking everything else except for water. I've done the research, I've done the work, and I'll be sharing some tips and tricks as to how you can get more water in throughout the day. So I also bought some lemons, limes and mint, which I'll slice and add to my drinking bottle throughout the day. They're great for detoxing, great for boosting your immune system, great for adding flavour to water. So if, like me, you've been struggling with drinking water, it's a great way to ease you into the habit. So I'm going with 2 litres of water a day because already my water intake has been quite low. So for me that's realistic. Now if you feel that you want to do less or do more, by all means do so, but make sure that you consult with your doctor and check for the recommended guidelines for your weight, your height and your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, stay hydrated.